Hi, room one. We're going to keep going in our Go Math, right? We're going to go and do more pages in our Go Math Chapter 5. These are our addition pages. Let me take that cover off, and I'm also going to take this because this is just a review of what we did yesterday. And I'm going to throw that one away. Now we are going to work on all the different number pairs to make the number 10. We have done something very similar to this before. I'm making 10, but we were using the counters, the red and yellow counters. Lots of different ways to make 10. So I think on Zoom, we're going to do this on Zoom. I'm just going to ask everybody to come in the morning and make me a tower with 10 in it. And I don't care how you make it. There's so many different ways to make 10. Okay, I think I'm going to start with this way. I'm going to start with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 blues and 5 reds. 1, because you guys know what 5 plus 5 is. If you don't know what 5 plus 5 is, right now, I want you to put 5 fingers up on your left hand. There's my left hand. And 5 fingers up on your right hand, and I want you to count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 5 and 5 is 10. Well, I made it with cubes, right? 5 blue plus 5 red equals 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And the other thing you guys can remember, hang on, I just found this down here. Look, 5 on the top and 5 on the bottom. When it's all filled up, we have 10, right? Filling up a 10 frame is 5 plus 5. Okay, now we're ready to do this. Now our first one, they want us to make 10 this way with 9 of one color and 1 of a different color. So let's take the one that I did yesterday. Okay, yesterday when we were working on 8, we had, I'm going to take this off because I think we're going to have to fix it a little bit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's add another green to make 9. Okay, now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. If we want to make 10, we need to add one more. I think I might use a different color. There, let's use orange. Okay, so I've got 9 green plus 1 orange. Altogether, that's 10. All I have to do is trace my numbers here. 10 equals 9 plus 1. And then I want to color this. So let me get my green. I'm going to color 9 green. 1, 2. Show you a little trick, you guys, because if you just start coloring like this, okay, you might accidentally color that last one. So I like to just start by going 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Color in the circles. And then that will, and count. And then once you get 9, then you can go and color the whole thing. 9. Yesterday I did green and blue, so today I'm going to do green and orange. You can do whatever colors you want. Just pick 2 colors. But you have to make sure you do 9 plus 1. If you want to do 9 blue and 1 red, that's fine. If you want to do 9 orange and 1 green, that's fine. Okay, as long as you have 9 of one color and then 1 more. Okay, now on the next 2 pages, we're doing just like we've been doing for the last few days, okay? But this time we're making 10. There are so many different ways to make 10. Now they want you to start with this way, okay? This way. So I'm going to flip this around. 1 orange plus 9. They want you to start with that one with the smallest number there, because then it's easy to, let's add another orange. But if we add an orange, that's going to be 11. So make sure you take one of the green ones off, okay? So now another way to make 10 would be to add an orange one, 1, 2, plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2 plus 8. Okay, let's go fast. I think we can go fast. I'm going to take a green one off and add another orange. There's another way to make 10, right? We could make 10 like this. 1, 2, 3 orange plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Boys and girls, please really make nice numbers. And please, 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 I said it every day. I think I forgot to say it yesterday. Please use pencil. I've seen some kids using marker and using crayon, and they don't. If you don't have the right answer, then you can't go back and fix it, right? Please use a pencil. Okay, here's another way. We could take another green one off and add another orange. And now we've got 1, 2, 3, 4 orange plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There's another way. Okay, I'm going to color this later, okay? So later on, I'm going to choose one of these and I'm going to color it in with my green and my orange. I want to keep going because we're kind of on a roll, okay? Now, if I want to make it another way, let's take a green one off and add another orange. And here's a new way to make 10. This time we did 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 orange and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 green. That's going to match the one that I started out with, right? Okay, half of them are orange, half of them are green, or you could do blue and red, whatever combination you want. 5 plus 5 equals 10. Okay, that's another way to make 10. Let's take another green one off and replace it with an orange. This time we did 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 orange plus 1, 2, 3, 4. 10 equals 6 orange and 4 green. That's another way, okay? Let's take another green one off, add another orange. Now we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 orange and 1, 2, 3 green. I'm going to show you something when we're done here. And then let's take another green off. Oh, I need to look at my basket. Am I out of orange? Ooh. Uh-oh. I'm out of orange. Okay, well, I'll tell you, we're going to have to pretend that we have another orange one on there. Can you guys pretend? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Should be 8. Must have one on the floor or something, and 2. Okay, I want to show you guys something. If you guys notice, sorry, the page we just did, how we started out, 1 plus 9, 2 plus 8, 3 plus 7, 4 plus 6. Did you notice that each time we added another orange? So these numbers go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. But each time we took off a green one, right? We started with 9 green, and then each time we took one off. So this goes 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. So parents, if you guys are watching, some of the kids will pick up on that pattern, and they won't even have to use the cubes to make it. But I do want you to check your answers. I had a few kids who took pictures, put them on their Seesaw page, and they didn't have the right answers. They had things that did not add up to the number over here on the left. So make sure your numbers add up. And then I'm going to color these two later before I post for the example. Okay, on the back, they always give us a story problem, huh? Let's read the story problem. There are 10 children in the cafeteria. The cafeteria is where you go to eat your lunch at school, okay? Or if you're at a hospital or someplace else, they may have a cafeteria. 10 of them are drinking water. How many children are drinking milk? To me, these are kind of trick questions. There's 10 children, and they're all drinking from, let's say, glasses. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I'll put another one over here, 9, 10. So I'm going to draw the glasses. Now, they said that some are drinking milk and some are drinking water, but 0 are drinking milk. 10 of them are drinking water and 0 are drinking milk. So that means they're all drinking water. Now, we could put a W there for water, but I think I might I'm going to do that. I'm going to put a W. It says 10 kids are at the cafeteria. 10 are drinking water. 0 are drinking milk. So 10 equals 10 waters plus 0 milks. I think sometimes those sound really, really tricky, so you can just do what I did here. And then down here it says draw what you know about a different pair for 10. Complete the addition sentence. I think we've done this before. My hands are way too big, but I'm going to draw a picture of 5 fingers on my left hand. My fingers won't fit you. I don't know if yours will either. I don't think there's enough room, so I'm just going to draw 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I'm going to put 5 plus 5. You don't have to do this. If you want to draw 5 frogs and 5 turtles, you can. If you want to draw 5 butterflies and 5 caterpillars, you can. You can draw whatever you want. But this, for me, when I think of 10, 5 and 5 is an easy way to do it. And we are done. Now we are actually done with this packet, okay? I'm going to throw this page away because this is just the review. But I think because tomorrow's Friday, we're going to go ahead and do this. Usually I tell you we're not going to do the test, but see how it says review? I think we're going to do this just for a review tomorrow. It'll be a good practice because when the kids get to first grade next year, they will probably be doing these tests. We don't usually use these tests because we're using the ESGI, the computer program, when we test, but it'll be good practice. So we'll do this one tomorrow, okay? Have fun doing your math today, making 10.